Hey everyone, Irfan Eke here. In this video, I'm pulling back the curtain and showing you exactly how I use Google Ads to generate over 3,19,685.54 in revenue in just 1 month, March 2025, across both US and UK markets. Now listen, this isn't one of those get rich quick stories. I'm not here to sell you a dream, but I'm going to share is a realistic data driven journey where bleeding some money upfront led to massive wins later. Let's get into it. Uh, in March 2025, I ran performance campaign targeting both the US and UK. The goal drive revenue using smart segmentation, AI optimization, and aggressive testing. So in the US, I turned just over 6.27k pound, and let me show the revenue. You can see here, I selected the session source medium, and then I searched CPC, and you can see the revenue amount that was generated by the Google Ads, 2,33,976. And in the UK market, let me show the UK account. You can see here. So I spent 5.99k pound, and I generated from Google Ads. You can see here I selected session source medium. I searched CPC. You can see the CPC, and I generated 64,249.55 pound. So, and no, this didn't happen overnight. Obviously, these results were a product of strategy, patience, and smart use of machine learning. So here's the truth that most people won't tell you. Basically, Google Ads success is not instant. You can't expect high ROI without giving Google and yourself the time to collect data. I call this the data bleed phase. So it's the part where you spend money and yeah, something lose, but you are training the algorithm, collecting intent signal, and understanding how your audience behave. So are they clicking? Are they converting? What keywords triggering profitable behavior? So once you have the data, that's when the magic begins. You optimize, scale, and let the AI learn from real interaction. So let me explain step by step. Step number one that I implemented is the strategy is the smart segmentation and intent targeting. So I didn't just run one campaign. I segmented my campaign by device, by location. You can see the device, location. You can see, you can click the campaign. You can see the segments by device, by time, by location, conversion intent. So this gave me micro insights into who buys, when they buys, and what drives the purchase. So I had custom conversion tracking, value tracking through Shopify and API, call tracking with dynamic number interaction. So every click had a story, and Google started optimizing for the most valuable ones. So let's move to the step number three that I implemented: smart bidding plus manual tweaking. Uh, I used target ROAS and maximize conversion value once I had 50 plus conversion, but I didn't go fully hands off. I layered in manual adjustment like bid modifier on high performing location or days. Let's move to the step number four that I implemented: creative ad testing. Now you should do the similar thing for optimizing your campaign. It's very important. Different creatives were tested: product focus versus benefit focus versus urgency driven. I don't know what would be your goal, but it depends on your creative at testing the process. AI is amazing, but AI alone won't save your ad. You need a human touch, definitely. Here's how I work with the algorithm. I gave it clean signal, good tracking, clean conversion data. I let it learn, avoiding turning off campaign too early. I laid my insights like knowing seasonal shifts or customer objections. That combination, it's how you create high performance ad account. So I learned lots of things, and I learned many lessons like bleed before you succeed. Don't expect profits from day one. Spend smart, not scared, and know your funnel. This is the most important thing. You have to know your funnel behavior, where are you leaking money, where are people dropping off, like those holes. Google loves clean data. The better your tracking setup, the better your results period. Don't micromanage the algorithm. Let campaigns breathe, especially when using smart bidding. Look, I'm not saying you will hit similar figure next month, your next month, but what I'm saying is, if you are willing to do the work, spend to learn and use data the right way, you are going to win in Google Ads. Just remember, revenue follows strategy and strategy follows data. So if you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment telling me that you struggle within your Google Ads journey. I'll help you, and I'll guide you. Also, I'm thinking about breaking down this entire campaign in a future video, both campaign in a future video. Would you want to see that? Thanks for watching, and remember, if you want to scale, you have got to be willing to bleed smartly. This is the main thing.